A bill banning most abortions once a heartbeat is detected has cleared a key hurdle in the state legislature. The House Health Committee passed the bill, sending it on to the House floor for a full vote. Tennessee is among several states with pending bills to ban abortions once a fetal heartbeat is detected. That is about 6 weeks into pregnancy. Lawmakers are pushing for strict anti-abortion laws to trigger a legal challenge to the 1973 Roe v. Wade ruling. That case established a nationwide right to abortion. That bill will go to the House floor for a full vote. It would then need to pass the Senate before heading to the governor's desk.
Governor Bill Lee